Hi, this is the Clear Image AI video podcast. Welcome back. Today we're focusing once again on AI, artificial intelligence, and integration of this incredible technology into business. Let's look at AI and human cooperation from a different perspective. Can humans be fair to robots? Within the realm of business and AI integration, how do we find business responses and opportunities for this challenge? Let me explain. As AI makes its invariable march into our everyday lives, the familiarity and all too human responses to AI will change over time. Elements of our society will become autonomous. How will we deal with this phenomena from a societal perspective? Even though we have bombarded with AI as the apocalypse stories for a while now, a lot of new research shows that humans actually expect and know that AI will be benevolent and trustworthy. The research illustrates that, for the most part, humans are the ones unwilling to cooperate and compromise with machines, and they will try to exploit them. Let's look at a couple of examples. Let's say you're on the phone with a chatbot who speaks perfectly, understands your queries, and gets exactly the answers that you want. As the call ends, with no waiting time, in contrast to long call center wait times when speaking to humans, you got what you needed, and as the chatbot is going through the niceties of telling you to have a good day, you just hang up. No harm, no foul. It's a robot after all, and without feelings. But here's another example. You're driving and you come to a four-way stop sign. The car in front of you arrived a little bit sooner, but you notice that it's a driverless car, so you help yourself to turning first. Accident. There's no kind of behavior when we deal with machines. We take as much as we can. So human beings are generally well equipped to cooperate with each other in a community setting. Somewhere during our evolution, we learned through natural selection that we stood a better chance to survive if we get along with our fellow human beings. Later, morality, social fairness, and other human features gave us a further nudge towards cooperation. But now we're going to be entering situations involving robots and other AI where we will use the not human argument and take advantage of situations that reward us for being selfish. So now to the study. Study participants were happy to exploit the AI. The research coined the phenomena algorithm exploitation, which they found to be a baked-in human tendency. They replicated the experiments with the same conclusions through 9 experiments and with more than 2,000 participants. Would people take advantage of robots differently than humans? The answer was yes. This fact already shows up in some accidents involving self-driving cars, where drivers recognize autonomous vehicles on the road and expect, even demand, that the self-driving car give way. But the self-driving vehicle expects for normal compromises between drivers to hold. And my prediction is that one final piece of the puzzle will come in the future, with self-driving cars being programmed to become less polite as well. If rules of traffic develop to where no one lets autonomous cars join the traffic, self-driving cars will have to force their way into traffic to maintain their positions. What business opportunities does this present? And how will the world adapt to AI? Autonomous is different, and as business people, we should be paying close attention to how this develops as AI integrates into our lives. The future is here. In closing, some of you have been asking, so yes, Clear Image AI has a direct and concise strategy for AI business integration. We look forward to helping you, and our AI business integration playbook can be downloaded from our website, clearimageai.com. And until next time, this is Michael Earl, and remember, integrate AI into your business. AI is the future of business.